Welcome to the Rio Grande City Historic Walking Tour. This stop brings us to Samuel J. Stewart Building. Samuel Julian Stewart was born in Maryland and enlisted in the Army on November 10, 1847, to serve in the 5th Regiment McClellan's Tennessee Infantry during the Mexican War, an armed conflict between the United States and Mexico from 1846 to 1848. After the war, Stewart settled in Rio Grande City and married Antonia de la Garza, sister of Miss Henry Clay Davis. They had 7 children: Luisa, Isabel, Lucy, Samuel Jr., Thomas, Henry, and Antoinette. He served 4 terms as Stark County Sheriff from 1852 to 1858, as Justice of the Peace from 1858 to 1862, and as Stark County Judge from 1860 to 1869. This 2-story building, built circa 1910, is another example of the combined domestic commercial building. The first floor housed a business, while the upstairs served as a residence. Later, it became the residence of his daughter, Antoinette Toncha Stewart. It is a side-gabled building with notched rafter ends and corbelled chimneys on the end walls. There was once a roofed balcony along the front of the building facing Main Street. 5 original lintels are still visible.